what we do is we let people collect video. They can collect video from all over the web. YouTube to GodTube, there is such a site, to TeacherTube, again, there is such a site. 1,851 sites people have collected video from. And they can have it on their collection on VodPod, or they can take their entire collection and put it anywhere else they want, on their Facebook page, on their blog, on their website. With our widgets, we have an API, so you could go build your own custom interface if you wanted to. And then you can find video through VodPod. You can search YouTube, you can search VodPod, you can search MySpace, Comedy Central, Dailymotion, all directly from VodPod. And you can follow other people who are collecting and see what they're adding to their collections. So what we're looking at right here is the NewTeeVee collection. We call them pods. And this is the front page of their pod. You can see here, these are the most recent videos that they've added. And you can see they get a lot of views. So they've added, videos in the last few days that are getting, 1,000 views or so, and here over, almost 2,000 views. So I can click and play these videos, which I'll show you in a second. And then the collection also is a community. There are people who are reacting and following them. So you can see here's somebody who discussed one of the videos, the Here Comes Another Bubble video that's been popular the last few days.
So for a publisher, it's a good way to, or a company, to create video of interest to their audience, I suppose.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Now let me show you actually what NewTeeVee can do and what they do. So you can take, as I said, you can take the collection and put it anywhere you want. So here's the link to their blog, newteevee.com. I go to newteevee.com. And you'll see there are the videos right there at the top from VodPod. And I can click and watch the video right there on NewTeeVee's site.
Widgets can go onto blogs, also onto social networks?
Correct.
Tell us where you can put them.
So you can put them on any of the major blogging platforms. It's a typical widget, simple piece of JavaScript that you can drop into your blog. If you use WordPress.com, we have a built-in widget there, built-in plugin that works on WordPress.com. We have an application on Facebook. We have Flash widgets that go on all the other major social networks, including MySpace. So you can take them pretty much anywhere. And then if you're really adventuresome, we just released on Tuesday, this past Tuesday, an API, and you could go build anything you want. I mean, you could basically go build VodPod on top of VodPod if you wanted to. I think what could happen over time, and what we hope will happen over time, is we have these people building collections. Right now they're collecting videos that are interesting to them. Some of the people are contacting us and saying, hey, I'd like to make some money. Doing all this work, collecting all this video, how can I make money? And we want to help them. And one of the ways might be that, as well as collecting videos that you find funny or interesting or informative, maybe you collect videos that are advertising and that you can get paid for. In other words, instead of a pre-roll or a post-roll or some kind of overlay, maybe you have in your collection a standalone video advertisement people can choose to watch and that you find is relevant to your collection.